I think it gives kids a chance to be independent and to be safe using the internet and know that they are going to be safe. And there are lots of different things you can do on it, for example, make games or make music. So it's very creative, which I really like.
Well, for Purple Mash, I find the best things that you can be creative and you can choose what you want to do. And it's not like one of those things where you just have to do work on there. You can create a game, you can create a sound, you can do so many things on it, and it's so unlimited what you can do.
I think the best thing about Purple Mash is that, say about blogs, you can express yourself on the blogs, like making games, having fun, and you can also invite some of your friends.
The best thing about Purple Mash is that you get to be creative and you can literally make games and so many other stuff, and you can share them with your friends and they can see them.
Well, I like how there are different games and how you can set different challenges.
I really like the games because they actually are fun, but then they're also making you, they also help you learn as well as being fun at the same time.
I usually go to the art section and I just draw things that go into my mind. For example, if I'm thinking about elephants, for example.
Quite like Serial Mash because it gives you like a range of other books, but I also like creating like games and beats and stuff because it just makes you creative more in like different ways.